She has charges in a couple of counties. I mean, I have deals. That we're following. So.
No, I understand. And I appreciate you getting in touch with Mr. Moran on that. And so we'll just do.
Say 60 days.
Yeah, let's do another 60. And hopefully maybe at that point they'll have the cases at least indicted over there, and then we'll see where we get.
And as soon as we know anything, of course we can.
Thank you very much. Stay in touch with Mr. Rennick. He'll let you know when you need to do that. And then you have, is it Michaelon Skinner?
Yes, Judge.
That's a sentencing?
Yes, Judge. No, Mr. Nichols.
You can try. She needs to get one before this. All right, sir. Is it Michaelon? Michaelon Skinner?
Yes.
And Mr. Skinner was previously here in cause number 25 DCCR 1852 and entered a plea of guilty to theft of property. I have received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review the report?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
Are there any additions or corrections?
Nothing, place.
Nothing really to add, Judge. I understand Officer Weir's concerns. I just want to know for the court, this individual was not identified as the driver. He did participate in the theft and is responsible ultimately for everything that happened, along with the other two individuals.
Okay.
But the offer is based on his lack of other criminal history.
Okay, and not the driver of that.
No, Your Honor, a different individual is identified as the driver.
Okay. All right, then, Mr. Skinner, at this time, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay the $1,000 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, this is an excellent opportunity because you do not have a felony conviction on your record. And if you successfully complete the probation, at the end, the case is dismissed and you'll never have a felony conviction. So it's great, great opportunity. The other side of that, however, is if you violate any condition of probation, it's not written on here. Is it what level is it?
It's a third.
It's under the region.
So if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court. You could be found guilty. So you'd have that felony conviction on your record, and you could be sentenced anywhere in the range of punishment, which is between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed. And so you waived your right to appeal. You need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation's going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
See, Mr. Rojas, you've got Marquise Berry.
This is one of those courtroom moments that can completely change someone's future. The judge isn't just handing down probation, he's handing over a second chance. But there's a catch. Deferred probation is basically a legal tightrope. One violation, and this conversation could end with a felony conviction and years behind bars. What do you think? Should first-time offenders receive opportunities like this, or should the consequences be immediate?
What is the announcement?
Without a rejection, Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go through that a little bit better then. So, Ms. Berry, you're charged by indictment with the second-degree felony offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And what that means is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand? Yes. And I have a plea bargain rejection here on the tablet that you've signed with Mr. Rojas that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 10-year term in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You have every right to reject that offer and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial and what your options are. Do you understand all of that? And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial? And So we will get that done. Ms. Berry, Mr. Rojas has been appointed to represent you. He's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. With your permission, I can release him and appoint another attorney who could begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? So, Mr. Rojas, you're released. Ms. Berry, we will appoint someone. You want her just to have a seat, or do you already? If you'll have a seat over here, watch for the clerk. She's gonna call you up and give you that information and who it is and how to get in touch with them in just a minute. So just kind of sit over here and watch for her to call your name, okay? Yes, ma'am. Terrence Currington. Mr. Rojas. Good morning. Are you Terrence Currington? And this is 25 DCCR 1114. Mr. Currington is charged with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. And what is the announcement?
Judge, I think we said last time to go over the discovery. Mr. Currington and I haven't had a chance to actually get together. I'm asking for one more reset. I think he's going to call me this week and get something set up.
Mr. Currington, this is going to be the last reset. You need to call Mr. Rojas this week, make an appointment and go visit with him before that next court date. Don't wait till the week right before court to do that either, because he's busy and you need to give him some time so y'all can get a date. But it's very important. You've got an attorney that's been given to you free. You need to contact him and go talk to him about your case, okay? Okay, any questions?
No.
All right, you're free to go. Stay in touch with your attorney and your bondsman. They'll let you know when you need to come back.
Okay.
And then you have a sentencing on Brianna Jones, Mr.
I don't
Rojas.
think she's here, Judge. I was told she has a new warrant out. So
All right, if you'll call the name Brianna Jones, please. Oh, this one I was gonna, she didn't show up for the PSI. Brianna Jones. She didn't show up. Oh, never mind for. Put in custody. I have some notes that I'm not sure.
I thought you.
Yes.
You paid it.
There was, I had a notation for an evaluation as well.
And I don't know what the new options is, the new warrant. is.
Okay, her bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000.
Agents.
Thank you, sir. I don't see it yet.
Obstruction of foundation.
There it is. Larry Bigelow, Mr. Wilkerson. Morning.
Morning.
Ms. French. Larry Bigelow. Good morning, sir. You're Larry Bigelow. And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yeah, sure.
Mr. Bigelow, in cause number 25 DCCR 1333. Did I say enough? You're charged with a state jail felony offense of solicitation of prostitution from March 28th of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Wilkerson? Do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 3-year deferred probation. There would be a $300 fine and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding? Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Bigelow is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
And is there any other history or any reason not to waive pre-sentence report? that
I
you
don't
see?
I don't see a reason not to waive, Your Honor.
military way, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Bigelow, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Waive the pre-sentence report, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you reached with the district attorney's office and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 3 years. You're ordered to pay the $300 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, this is a great opportunity because you don't have a felony conviction on your record. And at the end of the probation period, if you successfully complete it, then you'll never have a felony conviction. The case gets dismissed. The other side of that, however, is if you violate any condition of probation, you could be brought back into court and you could be found guilty and you could be sent to the state jail prison for between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand? I'm going to hand you in just a second the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed. So you have waived your right to appeal. Once I do that, you need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation, she's sitting at that desk right over there. Watch for her to call your name and then she'll go over all of your paperwork with you. All right. Yeah. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Judge, I believe that's my only case. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Mr. Lewis, you have Kevin Khalid. Morning. Good morning, sir. You Kevin, please. And this is 24 DCCR 1948. What is the announcement?
Judge, the plea papers were sent like that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have them yet.
Oh, I didn't see that. Let me sign them.
No problem.
All right, just have a seat. I'll recall it in just a minute. And what about Wyatt Phillips?
That's the one.
Wyatt Phillips?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. You're Wyatt Phillips?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 1360. Mr. Phillips is charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by felon. What is the announcement?
Well,
Judge, if Mr. Lewis, I'll just ask him what the status of his Orange County probation is and what's going on with that. That might clear some things up for me.
So you're on probation in Orange County?
Yes.
Is there any type of motion to revoke that's been filed currently? They have not filed a motion to revoke.
When does that expire?
Do you know when you are finished with that? When's that probation over?
I've had 2.5 more years,
Okay,
but I've got 6.5 done.
okay,
I think I'm gonna take care of that case today, Your Honor. I'll file dismissal.
okay. I'll sign that when it comes through. Mr. Phillips, it looks like your case is going to get dismissed. Obviously, it's very important that you follow all of the rules, not only of your probation over there, but the laws of the state of Texas. You're not allowed to have a firearm. I'm not sure of the underlying facts, but this is a great opportunity for you. All right. So I'll sign it today. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Parker, you've got Jorge Quezada.
Thanks, sir, Judge.
I don't know why. I thought I said, did you get Larry Bigelow? It says it's.
And just like that, the entire tone of the courtroom changes. Minutes earlier,
Wait, sir.
this case involved a felon in possession charge, a serious offense that can carry major consequences. But because of the circumstances surrounding his existing probation, the judge appears ready to dismiss the case. These unexpected turns are exactly why courtroom proceedings can be so unpredictable. Have you ever seen a case go from serious charges to possible dismissal this quickly?
Let's see, Junius Vital, Mr.
That's Ms. French's
Parker.
Vital, I believe.
Thank you.
Junius Vital. Good morning, sir. Your Junius Vital. And this is 25 DCCR 1374. Mr. Vital is charged with failure to comply with sex offender registration requirements. And what is the announcement?
Yeah, I've talked to the prosecutor, I have an offer from Mr. Hoppower. I've discussed it with her. I think she wants to kind of go over the facts and review it some more to see if we can, there's another offer possibly.
And to be fair, council did bring to my attention some convolution in the facts.
Yeah.
That I'd like to talk to Nelson Tassin with VPD about
Sure.
before. I go
So we'll
forward.
just do a normal reset to give you some time to get that taken care of. Mr. Vital, make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Parker. He will get whatever information Ms. French figures out before that next court date. Y'all can visit about it. We'll see where we are at the next court
The
date.
probable cause is just kind of confusing. It's extensive.
Okay.
And so,
All right. Stay in touch with Mr. Parker. Thank you, Ms. French. And Lisa White,
I think this should be a dismissal.
there is one. I'll sign it now. Is she here?
She's here.
Miss White, I'm signing a dismissal in your call, in your case. Did we need a bailiff call or no on that one?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Your case is dismissed. I'm signing that now. You're free to go, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I did forward the plea papers on police.
Okay. I'll take care of it as soon as it comes through. Okay. Let's see. Was this one from the, Miss DeLeon, you can come up, please. All right, Ms. DeLeon, you tested negative, which is great. And so what I'm going to do again is give you some time to try to get a lawyer hired before that next court date, okay? So you'll have about 30 days to get that done. Bring the reset notice to the lawyer that you hire if you hire someone. If you're unable to, make sure you talk to at least 3 and bring me those names, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset. Mr. Galmore, are you ready on Duma Turner?
We're gonna start drafting it, then we've got to hold over that.
You have an agreement? Okay, I'll hold it. Ms. Holmes? Oh, I'm sorry, Ms. Holmes, on Francisco Garcia? I was looking for you in the jury box and you snuck over there.
I think he's sitting outside.
Yeah, Francisco Garcia. Morning, how are you?
Monday.
It is definitely Monday.
It's been a week since you became famous, Judge.
It's ridiculous. It's all Tommy's fault. I blame him. Mr. Coleman on Francisco Garcia.
Judge, we're not posting a reset. I believe
Yes.
Ms. Holmes is asking for a reset on it.
Yes, Your Honor. We need to complete some applications.
Okay.
My client's in, but we do intend to get this disposed of next set.
All right, so you're Francisco Garcia. And Mr. Garcia, you're here in 2 cases, 25 DCCR 0900 and 0901. I'm going to reset your cases about 30 days. Make sure you stay in touch with Ms. Holmes, take care of everything you're supposed to, and visit with her about your case so that we can get an announcement at the next court date. All right, you're free to go. And then you've got Carisha Mays.
Yes, outside.
Carisha Mays.
May.
Good morning. Are you Carisha Mays?
I am.
And this is 25 DCCR 1464. Ms. Mays is charged with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. What is the announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, I have met with Ms. Mays. I recently got videos I need to review with her.
Okay,
So we should get this disposed by next.
Sure.
Saturday.
any issue, Ms.
No,
Martina?
she
Ms.
has-
Mays, I'm sorry.
She has an offer.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
Ms. Mays, I'm going to reset your case about 30 days. It's important that you call and make an appointment, go visit with Ms. Holmes before that court date so you can watch all the videos and discuss any other discovery that she's received and to go over the offer, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date. Okay, you're free to go. Let's see, it looks like